How long does AT&T lock your account? Let's get started. The duration for which AT&T locks an account can vary depending on the reason for the lock and the specific circumstances involved. Generally, if your AT&T account is locked due to security concerns such as suspicious activity or incorrect login attempts, the lock may be temporary. After 6 failed login attempts on an account, the system automatically locks the account. Once a user account is locked out, it remains locked for a minimum of 30 minutes or until a system administrator resets the account. Or you can attempt to log in again after 1 hour for invalid password attempts and 4 hours for the registration issues. The best course of action is to contact AT&T customer support directly. They will be able to provide you with a specific information about the reason for the lock and the steps needed to regain access to your account. Additionally, they can offer guidance on how to enhance the security of your account to prevent future lookouts. I hope now you guys are clear how long does AT&T locks your account. So this wraps up this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.